Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Audacity on your Mac, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Safari browser on your Mac. In the address bar, type Audacity, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official website at audacityteam.org. To make things easier, I'll also leave the direct download link in the description below. Once you're on the website, you'll see two download options for Mac, with MuseHub or without MuseHub. Click the Download Without MuseHub button. The file will now begin downloading. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. A new window will appear showing the Audacity icon and the Applications folder. To install Audacity, simply drag the Audacity icon into the Applications folder. Wait a few seconds for the copying process to complete. Once it's done, close the installation window. If you'd like, you can move the installer file to the trash. Now let's open Audacity. Open Finder, go to Applications, then look for Audacity and click on it. Or you can press Command plus space, type Audacity, and press Enter. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open. And that's it. Audacity is now successfully installed on your Mac. You can now start recording, editing, and exporting your audio files. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy macOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.